Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's do some more 3D optical illusion, and this time it's gonna be the Cuphead coin. So I'm gonna try to make it look like it's floating in midair. So let's speed through the process and I'll be back and show you how it looks at the end. Alright, so here's the final drawing, and you can see it's pretty distorted. I think this one should work pretty well with the shadow. So as I turn it, trying to get to the right perspective, I think that actually looks pretty good, right? It looks like it's floating. A little bit of shadow really helps. And if I put in a pen here, it actually works a little bit better, just to help fool the eye a little bit more. If I put it like a little ball here or something, now it really looks like it's floating, right? So let's see if I can actually grab onto it. That would be kind of cool. Not really. Okay, it's a little bit off. Hard to pull off, but yeah, overall I think this thing works pretty well, right? Let me rotate it for you. Alright, so that's it for this 3D optical illusion for this Cuphead coin. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and share the video if you can, and also check out all my other videos. I will see you next time.